Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and heading straight to Apps, Default Apps. Once there, you see file type and protocol associations listed alphabetically, which is why we use this view. It's efficient. Click the current default for music and video, then pick Windows Media Player from the suggested list. Make sure to confirm any UAC prompts, otherwise changes won't apply. Once done, you've completed the first actionable step toward making Windows Media Player your default player. Next, you'll associate specific file types so Playback opens consistently. Navigate to choose defaults by file type. This lets you assign MP3, WAV, MP4, WMA, and similar extensions directly to Windows Media Player. Click each extension, select Windows Media Player, and repeat until core audio and video types show WMP as default. Also check Choose Defaults by Protocol for media-related links. This detailed step prevents other apps from stealing associations, which is why it's important to be thorough here. Now you finalize and verify the change. Test by double-clicking several media files. Windows Media Player should open each one. If it doesn't, go back to Default Apps and use Reset to Microsoft Recommended Defaults, then reassign WMP, or reinstall Windows Media Player in optional features. Make sure your account has admin rights and that recent Windows updates haven't reverted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if associations keep reverting, uninstall conflicting media apps and repeat the association process. This usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.